What's up, guys? We're back for match play today. Actually, the catcher's round and then match play. It's weird, we don't normally have these, but we're bowling 5 games and then we'll cut to the top 8 for round robin match play. Like I said in the last vlog, no step ladder. So whoever has the highest pinfall total with bonus pins at the end of the event will win. I believe there are 25 people here. The number is currently 53 over. I'd like to think we're pretty safe. Scores are kind of low, especially at the beginning. I've got 200 over, PJ's got 130. And our cross is pretty strong. Tomorrow's on our pair. We're 1, 2, 3. Maybe some practice, 10 minutes actually. And then we're gonna play some bowling. Team Darren reporting in today. Darren on the cam, behind the cam. This Darren in front of the cam sometimes. I'm not bowling very good. After 3 games, I lost the lead. I don't like to look at scores, but I'm writing the scores because I'm the A bowler, so I kind of have to look at them. But I'm like 30 over for the block. But the guys on my pair are bowling really good, so it's not really I'm bowling terrible. They're just bowling really good. Tomorrow's 90 over. PJ's, I think, about the same. So hopefully we can pop up a couple of good ones here and still be in good position going into round robin. All right. No dice?
No dice.
No dice. You're close though. You're the number with 1 to go.
Number with 1 to go, and he just out. I like 10.
1 spare.
So 3 spares I missed the game 4.
Man.
Still shot $1.90 though.
Yeah, kids, if you guys ever miss a cut or you don't make a show or whatever the case is, always look at how many spares you missed first. It's the easiest place to get your pins. My last 2 games I had like 40-ish, 50 over. I think I retook the lead. A couple guys on my pair struggled. PJ didn't like the last 2 pairs. I thought our game 4 pair was really hard. They got super tight down lane. I was high man with 203. We got 8 more games. You never know what can happen. Just gotta keep bowling. Bowl a little bit better. I've had a lot of shots that just go dead right off my hand. Like that game I shot 240 and I missed the head pin twice. So if I keep them online, I potentially bowl 260, maybe 270. Need to make some better shots. A lot better. Spares are good though. I missed 128 today. I missed the super washout yesterday. I think those are the only 2 spares I've missed so far. But, we got a short break and then we'll be back for our 8 games of round robin. I might have bowled the 3rd worst game of the weekend. Just I made a good ball change, I made 5 really good shots, and then 5 really bad ones. I'm literally just giving pins away. I do feel like it's one of those weeks where my ball reaction is good enough to win, but if I bowl like that, I'm gonna give some other people a chance. So we're gonna try to not do that. We're gonna try to be better, just focus on playing better, because that's just pathetic.
Personal choice.
All right, yeah, we're giving an update. I don't know what game it is. I think we have 2 games after this. We're going okay now. I mean, some ups and downs, but I've had so many games where I feel like it was a personal choice to shoot 300. Like, it'd be 2 or 3 misses, just not even close. Anything remotely close on some pairs, I'll strike every time. In my head, I'm like, let's bowl 300. My body, nah, let's make it close. I like to make things exciting. This is pretty cool. 220 pin lead, it's pretty much wrapped up. Kind of just a formality now to get it done. We finally got one this year. Actually, the first one since the vlogs have started, so this is nice. This is nice.
Sam always likes to make people earn it here at his place, so this gentleman earned it. 21 games, 20 of those games were above 200. Only 1 game sub 200, so very impressive out of a strong field. But nonetheless, his 9th career regional title for $3,000 from Las Vegas, Nevada, Mr. Darren Tang.
Quick? I can't speak in front of a microphone, it's terrible, but dude, we got the trophy! It's been a while, it's been a while. So this one is dedicated to the vlog, to YouTube. It's the first one since we started vlogging, so this is pretty cool. I don't know what to say, winning's nice. It's nice to be in the winner's circle again. All right, so we got a special message for Julio.
Julio, brother, levántate de la cama, anda a trabajar, brother. Te quiero mucho. Que ando con Darren.
I would translate if I can, but I don't know Spanish.
Actually, it's a message for him that he needs to get up on the couch and go to work. Let's go, man. Let's work for bowling.
It's the next day. The camera died. Both batteries. It was bad. One of the outlets didn't work. I thought the camera was charging overnight. So I had like 75% on one battery yesterday. So we got to the end of the day and tried to close out the vlog and the camera died. So I just want to shout out Sam and Jack and Jill Lanes. Excellent job. Great hosts. We actually mentioned some of the racks that weren't very good, and they tried to fix them for match play, or the cashers on match play. So us as players, like I said in my speech, we really appreciate things like that, just to help create a more fair playing environment. Also, shout out to Jazz. He called it. He said I was gonna win this event, and we came through for him. Didn't make him a liar. That's pretty awesome. That's gonna do it though. It's the next day, and I'm gonna go play golf with my buddy Nick. It'll probably be in tomorrow's vlog. Like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you all being here. Much love, and I'm out.